back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to share with you my reviews on the Viseart foundation and concealer, guys. It has been so hyped and they have been marketing it so well that I had to get my hands on the concealer and the the foundation. Unfortunately, if you're here for the Viseart pressed powder, then I am really sorry I was unable to get my hands on this because I was not very sure of the shade range and the shade that would suit me perfectly, so I did not buy that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply the concealer and the foundation, and after that I will show you the mask test where I will be wearing the mask for about 15 to 20 minutes just to see if it actually transfers on the mask or not, because in these times we have to wear our masks. So we are going to do a mask test as well. After the mask test, I really want to do a waterproof test. So I will spray some water on my face and we will find out if this foundation is waterproof or not. So if you want to know and see all of this, please keep on watching, but please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. You can also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. So now let's just get started. This is the packaging it comes in. It's a matte finish box. It's a beautiful box, but obviously I'm going to throw away the box. Then we have the details over here which says the expiry date and stuff, and it also, forget the box, guys, look at this. This is beauty in a box. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I love this glass matte glass finish bottle. Oh my god, it's stunning. So once we open the cap, we have a pump, guys, which I'm really happy with. So even though it does not say it's a waterproof foundation, I really want to try it. But let's just get on to the name and the shade of the bottle that is written. It just says natural beige on the box. However, on the bottle, it does not say natural beige. It says that it has
this foundation is retailing for
3,200 rupees, but currently they're running a discount and their current price is 2,880 rupees. Name on the bottle. Next, I got two concealers because I was not very sure of the shade for my complexion. So I thought I could use one as a corrector or a highlighter, which I usually do if I order a wrong shade. So as you can see, the concealers have both the number and the name of the shade at the back. And that's what I really like about this particular packaging, because it's just easier to remember, I feel. Now you can see the concealers don't have a glass packaging, they have a plastic packaging, and I'm pretty happy with it because even if it falls, then you don't have to worry about it breaking. I like the applicator as it's big and pointy, so it can reach the innermost corners of your under eyes. I've already prepped my skin and I've also applied some eye makeup off camera, and now to test out this foundation, I'm going to first apply the primer. Today's choice of primer is going to be the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just going to apply it on my T-zone and blend it out well with my fingers. These are the areas where I have maximum open pores, so I prefer to apply the primer only on this area. And now moving on, I'm going to apply my concealer and not a corrector, guys. I always like to apply a corrector, but since we are testing out a foundation and a concealer today, I want to really test out the coverage of this brand and the foundation, so I'm not going to apply a corrector today. And on that, I ordered two concealers. One is in the shade Warm Vanilla and the other one is in the shade Pure Beige. So the shade Pure Beige is a little deeper to the shade Warm Vanilla, and therefore I'm going to use this shade as my corrector because this will just cancel out and neutralize the darkness under my eyes and other pigmented areas on my face. I must say that this concealer is extremely pigmented and looks full coverage. I would never apply so much of a corrector, but I'm just going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender, and then I will move on to my foundation. I'm honestly very happy with the coverage of this concealer. It blends beautifully, guys, and I am so happy that it is not leaving any patch and it's not drying out as well. And now let's move on to our foundation. I'm going to take about 2 pumps of the foundation. As you can see, this is the first time I'm using it, and I'm actually going to take a little bit more. I've taken 3 pumps of the foundation. I'm going to just tap it all over my face in dots, and let's find out the coverage, guys. It looks and feels so soft on the skin, and I am so excited to see the final look. And I'm going to take a buffing brush and I'm just going to tap it into my skin. I'm a little disappointed with the shade because this looks pink undertone, and I'm a neutral undertone, so I'm not very sure, but let's just find out how it feels and looks on the skin. I'm very happy with the foundation because this is definitely full coverage, guys. I would say it is a medium to full coverage. For me, I am not a big fan of full coverage foundations, and hence I would apply a little bit oil or mix it with this foundation when I'm applying it next. But definitely this is a full coverage foundation. I also love the fact that it's not drying out, so you can take your time in blending. As you can see, I'm using a brush on one side and a beauty blender on the other side to blend this foundation out. I just want to see which tool is better to blend this foundation. And I definitely recommend using a damp beauty blender to blend this foundation. Next, I'm going to apply a concealer in the shade Warm Vanilla. As you guys know, I ordered 2, and I'm going to start applying it in the innermost corners of my under eye. And then I'm going to take it from the outer corners towards my brows. I like to apply a little bit on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my upper lip, and my chin. And then with my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to apply a little bit in the innermost corners just to balance both the eyes together. So this is how my face looks with foundation and concealer. Unfortunately, I was not able to get my hands on the pressed powder from this brand, so I will finish the rest of my face and I will be right back. So I'm back after doing the rest of my face, and here is my final look, guys. I've been doing a few other videos meanwhile, and I have to tell you that this foundation has not even budged little bit, and I'm very happy with that. The problem that I was facing with pink undertones is also not a big problem anymore because it has just sinked in and settled into my skin, and it's actually matched my skin very well. So I'm pretty happy with the foundation shade that I chose. Coming on to our concealers, I'm pretty happy that they have not worn off, because sometimes what happens is some concealers just get worn off and your under eyes can actually be seen beneath them and can also look gray, and you know, that's not happening with this concealer. So I am also pretty happy with the concealer. So I also wanted to do a mask test because in these times we really need to wear a mask, and I'm going to wear my mask. This is the disposable mask that I'm going to wear, and I'm going to wear it for at least 15 to 20 minutes, take a walk around, and again get back. Okay guys, I've been wearing the mask for 20 minutes and now is the real test, guys. I am really nervous, so let's cross our fingers and see. Ooh, wow! It did not budge, guys. I am so happy that there is really no transfer on the mask. And I was just seeing my face, it's flawless. Just the way I had applied the foundation, it is exactly the same way. I don't have any marks of the mask on my face over here or over here. Simply flawless. And now for the most fun part, this is going to be a waterproof test. Even though the foundation does not say that it's waterproof, I just wanted to try it because it's pretty full coverage and it did not budge while wearing a mask. So I really am curious to see if it's waterproof or not. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to try avoiding my eyes, and I'm just going to do it on the base makeup just to see if it's waterproof. No transfer at all, you guys. This is definitely waterproof. Look, can you see that my blusher is on the sponge, but not the base? Beautiful. So this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was fun, and do let me know which was your favorite part and the fun part from this video in the comment section down below. Overall, I highly recommend the concealer and the foundation from the brand Viseart. Please do check it out. So that's it, guys. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and please be safe, and thank you so much for watching.